Adventures of Zach and Peter. The Haunted Hoax. Welcome everyone. Enjoy another Halloween story. This place is perfect.
Sure, it is.
I heard this place was haunted. Silly Zach. No such thing.
Zach, why do you believe such stupid stuff?
It's true. Peter, let's go for a hike. I have a map. Sounds great. Let's go. Zach, did you read the map wrong? I feel like we are lost. What are you looking for? The map. The map? Yeah, the map. I think I lost it. I am not going to get mad. But you lost the freaking map. It'll be fine. We will just follow the sun. What does that even mean? We will walk in the direction of the sun. Oh God. It'll be fine. Zach, there is sun everywhere. Oh yeah, there is. You stay here. I will figure it out. Hey Stella.
Oh, Peter. You scared me.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
It's okay. I'm fine now. Where is Zach?
He is still in the forest.
Peter. You have to get him and make sure he is safe. He is your brother.
You are right. But I am not going to get him.
You do realize that it's going to be dark soon. Fine. I'll go get him.
No, I should get him. I don't want you to get lost.
Peter, it's fine. In any case, I really wanted to walk around here too.
Okay, fine. Please make sure you have your phone with you.
Okay. No problem. Zach. Zach, where are you? Zach, answer me. I am so scared.
Boo!
Is it gone? What was that? I have to stop thinking. I gotta find Zach.
Hey Peter. Where is Stella? She was looking for you. Now we have to look for her. And she is not answering her phone. Maybe there isn't a signal here? Well, I am not going. I just got here. Oh geez. What will we do now? I don't know. I will go look for her. Are you sure? Yeah. I will be fine. Just don't forget to feed that fire. Okay, will do. Bye. What do you want? I want your soul. What was that? That was crazy. I hope everyone else is okay. Stella, thank God you're okay.
Oh, Zach. I was looking for you.
You're really bad at looking for people.
Sure looks like it. Let's go back to the camp.
Yeah, let's get back. By the way, Stella, thanks for coming back for me.
Of course. You are like my little brother too.
Stella, you're here.
Yeah. Zach found me. He went to pick some wood for the fire.
I am so happy you are okay.
I did see a ghost though. Yeah. I was really scared.
A head like a pumpkin? A body that looks like a skeleton?
Yeah. How did you know?
I saw it too. Don't worry. I am here.
Where is Zach?
Boo!
Oh my lord. Zach. That's messed up.
Seriously, Zach. Not cool. You are such a jerk. Got you. Come on, guys. It was only a joke.
Oh well. It was kind of funny.
At least it's only Zach. The end. Thanks for stopping by. Have yourself a happy Halloween. Trick or treat. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.